Do you have to take creatine every day? Well, here's the thing. You don't have to take creatine at all because your body naturally makes creatine. Creatine is a supplement that people usually take, creatine monohydrate as they mentioned here, people usually take to improve power and performance in your muscle building activities, specifically weight training. What it does is it pulls extra water into the muscle, which can help with just overall performance in the muscle. The thing about this is, though, your body makes about 1 gram a day naturally. You can supplement this to give yourself more of this, and there isn't any deleterious effects on your body, assuming you take the recommended dosages and you have just a general healthy body. Somebody with kidney issues, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this. Likely you need to increase your water intake quite a bit. And then I will say too, for myself, like I can't take creatine for whatever reason. It just doesn't jive well to me, and I always get really, really constipated when I take it. For some people, they have no problems, but for me, I've always had issues being constipated. So I look at like the draw, the waybacks, the drawing. Pros and cons, whatever. Pros and cons. Little mess there, but pros and cons with this is, for me, like the pro could be improved performance, but the con is I feel constipated and awful during my workouts. So maybe I lose some performance on not taking the supplement, but I don't feel like crap during my workouts. This is the same thing for people who are maybe really caffeine sensitive and they don't take pre-workout because they really don't need it and they're already kind of feeling good beforehand. It doesn't really makes sense to force yourself to take a supplement if you already feel good doing your workout. Creatine can be that for you, but also, if you're going to take creatine, you should be taking it every day, about 3 to 5 grams.